second, third. What's good? It's your boy Chevy. We are back with another video, bro. What I got to talk about today is, you remember the Vette that I got? This one? Your boy already broke it. Let's talk. But while we talk, I'm going to take you guys out to a couple car shows, couple car meets, and I'm going to talk you guys through the story of how this car ended up broken already, man. Let's talk about it. But before we talk about it, let's start this thing up, pull it out the garage. Let's go. Oh my God, this thing sounds so good. Like, I had to shut it off just so you guys can hear me, especially because I'm talking out of the garage right now. But this whip sounds so good. Like, you guys hear that startup, that cold start? Ugh. Pure American muscle for you. Anyways, so we got to run out to this car meet. I just picked this car up, man. And I got to tell you guys, at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you what's happening next with the Vette. So make sure you're staying tuned for that, because it's going to be crazy. Good video. Hopefully we got some good content coming today. We got 2 car shows to run out to. One's like a little smaller. The next one should be a little bit larger than that. So I'm super excited to run out to these meets. Maybe we'll meet up with Pops and he brings out the C8 as well. We have to see what's going on. I'm really not sure where the day is going to lead us. So I hope you guys are excited to see this as well, just as I am as myself. Let's go. All right, one thing I'll never get over about this car is this right here. Oh, and then this right here. Just the fact that it says Top Chevy in the whip, bro, that is fire. That is fire. Let's roll over to these meets now. Let's get moving. Also, if you guys can hear that cam, like, look at me shifting. Can you see me shaking at all? Like my hand here? Bro, fire. Fire, straight American muscle. Let's roll. All right, gang, so we just popped up at the spot, bro. You can obviously see that parked up here. It's looking crazy, sounding good, bro. That cam in it sounds so awesome. I'm going to take you guys around real quick to sort of see what's popping, what's here at the show right now. I think there's some other people going to be turning up pretty soon, so you know what it is. Let's jump into it. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't know this spot here was even here, honestly. But I mean, this S2K right here is so clean, son. I think it's a shorty who drives this joint right here. You gotta see this black S2K right here. Take a look at this. Bro, this is on the docket list right here, son. I gotta get one of these. Stay tuned to the channel, because your boy will have to cop one of these, because I've always wanted to own the S2K, and this one is crazy nice. Crazy nice. Hey, look at the front end. This thing's perfect. And you got another one right here too. Bro, does anyone ever get these things and just leave them stock? I feel like the blue one is the stockest I've seen, but it's also got the spoon front calipers. That thing looks crazy good, bro. And then we got the Type R's over here, G82. Take a look. Bang. Bro, tell me that's not looking crazy. That lineup, it's nuts. Prelude too, always gotta show love. Leave it down in the comment section what you guys think of that new Prelude that just came out, or is coming out soon. Like, I don't know, I'm still back and forth on what I think of how that looks, so let me know what you guys think. GT500, oh my God. One day. If you guys know, your boy used to have one of these Mustang 5.0s, bro, so you already know the GT500 is always at the top of that list right there. Gotta have one of those one day. Trying to live like Mike, you know, he be killing it out here in this game. Bam. Look at that one, and the red next to it. GT350, crazy nice. Another snake, bro. These things are crazy. Look like we got some company next to us, next to the Vette. If you guys didn't know, your boy brought the Vette out. Obviously, you guys remember that at the beginning of the video. But I know this dude right here in the gray Challenger. All right, so while I sit here and wait for this light, what happened originally? I got in the car, was ready to whip out. We were heading out actually to that Buffalo Cars and Coffee, right? On the way there, your boy just wanted to get a little pull-in. I just wanted to see what the car had in it, right? You guys know we got the cam, we got the long tube headers, we got the exhaust, right? I gotta see what the car's putting down and just get a feel for it, right? If anything, and shake it out a little bit. Transmission went, bro. Transmission went. It was first, second, third, wouldn't go in the fourth, bro. Or third, it wouldn't go in the third. Crazy, right? So, and then at this point, I know I need another transmission. This thing is just not holding up. I'll get back to you guys. So then I tried checking and scanning it, seeing if any issues there. Came back, I'll put it up on the screen, what popped up on the car. Turns out the transmission was bad, right? Ended up having to go get a new transmission. So ordered the transmission, the company reaches back out to me and they're like, all right, we're sending it. Then I had to wait some time. Then they messaged me back and was like, sorry, wrong transmission, it only fit a 08. I'm like, what the heck? So then I ended up talking to Pops, and Pops was able to order one up for me. So then, oh, light turns green. I'll get back to you guys when we have to meet. All right, so then at this point, we ended up getting a new transmission in. It came out. We swapped it into the car. So as of right now, you guys can tell your boy is whipping it. Your boy is whipping the C6. It's all taken care of now. I'm at the next car show, so if you guys can take a look around, I'm gonna walk you guys through some of the nice cars I see here. I'll get back with you. Trying to say is the Vette is back in order. It was broken, but it's good. So let me show you. This thing is crazy. All right, either way, Vette's running good. We are back in action, baby. Lego. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed some of this content today. The story behind it, right? I'm driving my car, trying to hit on it, make sure nothing's wrong with the car. Something actually goes wrong with the car. Then I go ahead and get it fixed up. I'll drop some photos in here real quick so you guys can sort of see what that process looked like. This right here is the old one. Old torque converter, old transmission. Now this thing got over 150,000 miles on it. Now that you've seen what that process looks like, the car is all back in working order. This thing is feeling good, riding good. I rode it out for a couple hundred miles now, so that way it's in order and I know everything's working properly. Then now, you guys already know some more content is coming your way. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below. My kids are in a birthday party right now, so I'm gonna swing in there, show some love. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months.